Hi folks, I'm Rod with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. It's a beautiful day today, and helping me behind the camera is John Moore. So either one of us, you can give us a call if you have questions about this little trailer we're going to look at. This is a brand new 2024 Micro Minnie from Winnebago, and talk about a real complete little travel trailer. It's got just about everything you can imagine on it. We'll look at the outside first, and then we'll go inside. First of all, Winnebago, this is our one new line of trailers, and it's really a well-built line. They have the Micro Minnie, they have the Mini, they have the Voyage. This is the smallest of the line, so if you have a smaller truck or a good size SUV, these pull real well. Double axle trailers, so that tracks really well behind the pickup or your SUV, like I mentioned. But you're well equipped up front. You've got a powered tongue jack, you've got double LP tanks, place for 2 batteries. You've got exceptional storage on this, just right off the bat. John, I'll get right in and look at the size of the storage. Again, this is a 1720, so it's really, the trailer itself is only about 18 feet long. A little longer with the tongue out front, but I just love it. But you know, if you're new to trailers, or you're not real comfortable backing trailers up and things, they've added something new this year, which I really great. It's already pre-wired, so you can set this up with side cameras, and it's wired for a backup camera as well. So just think about that, how nice that'll be when you're backing up. You don't have to have your partner out shouting at you in the back. It's a much easier transition than parking your trailer. You've got power jacks up front, power stabilizer jacks right here, right and left, and you have the same at the back of the trailer too. So that makes it so nice. You don't have to crank it up with a drill or a crank like that. Just push a button and you're stabilized. Again, double wheels, nice aggressive. These are BF Goodrich, I think?
Goodyear Wrangler.
Goodyear Wranglers, that's right, Goodyear Wranglers. But I really love that, along with the clearance of the trailer. Makes it, if you're going back to those remote areas, you got to get into those spots. You got nice clearance on this trailer. Look at the stairs on this too. Excellent stairs, really strong. Not the bouncy kind of stairs. Great if you have mobility issues, or if you're a big person like myself, I feel comfortable and confident when I'm climbing the ladder. Speaking of ladders, a good solid ladder to the roof. Spare tire mounted here. Come around, you'll see that it has all the little things that you need. You got your outside hot and cold shower here. Power, plug-ins for satellite, water intake. And then here's the access to the storage from the other side. You'll notice that the door is a magnetic latch. I like these on these Micro Minis. Stays up so nice, you don't have to twist the little connections. And you've got a spot here to add your own solar panels. So if you're parking under the trees in the shade, you can plug in a solar, set it out in the sun, keep that solar power coming in to rejuvenate your batteries. Come on in, let's take a look at the floor plan inside. Again, this is the 1720 FB Micro Minnie. Now as you come in, I just want you to kind of take it in. You can kind of see you've got a really great size little galley, deep stainless steel sink, large refrigerator, 3-burner stovetop, microwave and convection oven, so you can do the baking and the microwaving as you need. Nice little dinette. This turns into an additional bed, and at the front of the trailer here you have your full-size bed for 2 people. And as you turn around, you'll see your television entertainment area, and then the door there to the bathroom. And you've got a nice size shower, comfortable bathroom. Again, this is a very small trailer. There is no slide out on this, so if you like to start small, if you want to go that direction, this is a great opportunity for you. Again, you can call and ask for John Moore or myself, Rod Benbrook. We're at 503-668-5400. We'd love to hear from you.